What we got here is unboxing of the Beats Solo 3. Now yesterday I unboxed the Beats Power Beats. I didn't record that. These people have said up to 200-foot range with the W1 chip, which is a new chip Apple has in their headphones, which is part of the motivation for me getting these. Okay, so unboxing. Kind of excited. So yeah, special edition black. These are on-ear headphones. The Bose QC35s are over-ear, which is a little more comfortable for length. Even the Power Beats, like I can't listen to them for more than like an hour. That I'm starting to hurt. I probably got to get used to them. Pretty excited. I've wanted these for a long time. It was the sale, man. And the thing is, the messed up thing is, I ordered them right away as soon as they went on sale because I just didn't think they would. And they had the gloss black for $219 forever, and I didn't really want the gloss black. And then when I saw they had the matte black, I was all over that. So yeah. Oh baby, so beautiful. The packaging, even the packaging. Oh, man. It's a cool unboxing experience. I saw videos where they would say that. I'm gonna take a picture here real quick. Where people would be like, yeah, it's a cool unboxing of the Beats. Packaging is something else, you know, so yeah. Change the way you hear sound. I don't know, man. It's the W1 chip, the range, all of that. Just ooh. Stylish. I like the case, man. Stylish. Way cooler than this weird thing. Man. It's even got a smell. I had this YouTube video guy, Flossie Carter. He talks about like the smell and all that. Oh. Wow. Oh man. They're small. They're smaller than I thought they'd be. Yeah, they come with a bit of a charge. Now watch this. This is the crazy thing. The phone should just recognize them. Preparing, right? Like they're on. Yeah, just hold them next to the phone. It comes up. Like I'm gonna screenshot it. It comes up. It's just like instant connect. It's so much better than Bluetooth. Turns on Matt's Beats Solo 3. Done. 72% gives me the battery life. Oh yeah, these are what I wanted, man. I like that the Beats label is pretty kind of like hidden. It's not like overabundant, you know. The matte black is just kind of like built in. I would be happy if all my products didn't have any label. I know what I'm gonna listen to. I've been like waiting to listen to it this whole time. Hey man, a little bit tight. Oh yeah, you can stretch them out. I've been purposely waiting to listen to this album till I got these headphones. It's the new Weeknd album. Inline controls, we're good to go. It's just a whole different experience. I think they'll be fun. I'm honestly a little disappointed in the amount of bass that hits. That's why I was kind of messing with the equalizer. I'm not disappointed, it just doesn't feel like it hits the same as it did at the store. But, you know, I was listening on YouTube at the store, which I thought would be worse. Now I'm on Spotify. So, I don't know. There'll still be a lot of fun. The range is incredible. It'll be cool to just throw something on your ears. Battery life is supposed to be incredible. Just be fun to have something different. I mean, I can see how, like, if you wear them too long, they're going to get uncomfortable. Whereas the Bose will be more comfort-oriented. But, you know, I think they have a place in my life. Like, the Bose are more expensive. These are $219, like I said. The Bose would be $350. And I don't want to take a $350 pair of headphones skiing or whatever. Whereas these, like, maybe I would consider that. Although, in reality, I'd just probably take the Power Beats. I'm going to make sure this is recording. Yeah, it is. So I'm not sure what I'm recording these for myself. You know, I'm still batching it. Bachelor. So, you know, maybe like, 15 years I'll watch these and be like, what a douchebag or something. I don't know.